Welcome to the Cendien Deep Dive podcast. We're here to cut through the noise, get straight to the insights you need. Today, we're really diving deep into something huge: finding the right talent. It's tough out there, right? And AI is fundamentally reshaping, well, everything about it. Our mission to unpack how AI is revolutionizing talent acquisition. We're looking at stuff like AI revolutionizes talent acquisition, future of recruiting, and for you, maybe you're hiring, maybe you're job hunting. Understanding this shift, it's pretty essential now.
Absolutely. The old ways, sifting through piles of resumes, just relying on who you know, that's becoming obsolete fast. AI brings in efficiency, scale, and really importantly, fairness. It helps find people you might have just missed before.
Okay, let's unpack that. Starting right at the beginning, AI optimized job postings. Now, I think a lot of people just assume it's like better grammar checks, but the sources suggest it's way more sophisticated.
Yeah.
Can you elaborate on that? How does it actually optimize these things?
Yeah, definitely more than grammar. AI is dynamically crafting descriptions. Think about natural language processing, NLP. These models understand language, right? So they flag potentially biased words, maybe gendered language, age stuff. Really suggest neutral alternatives.
Yeah.
It's not just about being politically correct. It genuinely widens that initial pool of candidates. People who might have been subtly discouraged, they might apply now. Plus, it makes the posts work better with algorithms on LinkedIn, job boards,
Right. Making it more inclusive from step one. So, okay, AI helps attract people, but then finding those hidden gems, that's where AI-powered sourcing comes in. And it sounds like it's not just about people already looking for jobs.
Not at all. This is like a massive advantage. AI maps talent across the web, LinkedIn, sure, but also GitHub, academic sites. It finds passive candidates, people who aren't searching but have the exact skills you need. And then there's predictive analytics. That's fascinating.
Yeah.
It forecasts who's actually likely to respond based on their past behavior online. So you go from just waiting to actively targeting the best potential fits. Proactive, not reactive.
Wow, that's a huge shift. Okay, so the pool is wider, maybe more targeted, but then screening, that can still be a mountain of work. How does AI help qualify candidates?
Yeah, this is where it lists a huge burden. AI parses resumes, skills lists, matching them to the job spec in seconds. Takes away hours of manual reading. And it's not just reading documents. Think conversational AI, chatbots, maybe like a specialized ChatGPT. They can do initial screening interviews, asking basic questions, checking qualifications, even getting a feel for cultural fit before a human recruiter spends time. Plus, automated skills testing. AI can generate coding challenges, case studies, stuff that tests real skills fairly, and you can do it at scale. Impossible manually.
Incredible coverage from outreach right through to testing. But it's not just about hiring new people, is it? The sources mention workforce adaptability too.
Exactly. That connects to the bigger picture, Retention, planning your workforce strategically. AI can spot skill gaps in your current teams. Then it recommends personalized training, Coursera, Udemy, whatever, for upskilling or reskilling. And beyond that, it can actually suggest internal people for new roles. Boosts internal mobility, helps keep your best people. It also creates these feedback loops using performance data, market trends. It adjusts hiring strategies on the fly. Helps build a really agile team.
Okay, so tons of efficiency, lots of benefits, but we have to talk about the flip side. Challenges, ethics. Bias in AI models is a big one mentioned.
It's absolutely critical. Look, if the historical data used to train, the AI is biased, and often it is, the AI can just repeat or even amplify those biases. It's not the AI's fault, per se. It's the data. That's why constant audits, human checks, they're non-negotiable. And this raises that other key point, the human touch. AI is efficient, yeah, but too much automation. It can feel cold, alienate candidates. You need that balance. Recruiter empathy alongside AI power. And, of course, data privacy is huge. GDPR, CPRA, you have to comply when handling candidate data.
Right. So pulling it all together, AI is clearly making recruiting faster, more data-driven, maybe more inclusive in some ways. But like you said, human oversight is absolutely essential. It's a tool, a powerful one, but not a replacement for human judgment, for connection.
Which leads to a final thought, maybe something for you to chew on. Beyond just making hiring faster, how might AI becoming widespread in talent acquisition change, well, human connection itself in the job market and personal branding? What does it mean for how you as an individual need to present yourself to stand out when an AI might be the first reader?